Disconnect the power. Turn off the toilet angle valve. After opening the toilet lid and seat, hold the lid firmly and lift it upwards. Once the toilet seat lid assembly is slightly lifted, move it backward. You will see hoses and cables. First, remove the side flush hose. The side flush hose can be unscrewed by hand. Remove the bottom flush hose. The water supply hose will need a wrench to remove. Turn the wrench clockwise to unscrew. After removing the hoses, unscrew the foot sensor cable. Disconnect the foot sensor cable. Reel in the power cable. Now remove the toilet seat lid assembly. Put it aside. Prepare the tools. Once the toilet seat lid assembly is removed from the ceramic toilet bowl, you will see the back of the assembly. There are screws connecting the cover and the base. There are 4 screws to be removed. Unscrew all the fixed screws. Pry open the clips between the cover and the base. Separate the base and the cover. You will find that there are still connecting cables between the base and the cover. Remove the connecting cables. Set the base aside. Next, let's replace the heater. The heater assembly is located at the center of the entire base unit. After separating the base from the cover, first locate the fixing screw for the heater. It's positioned in the middle of the heater. Carefully insert a screwdriver and unscrew it. Once the heater is loosened, disconnect the inlet hose. This may require some force. Then disconnect the outlet hose. If there is any residual water, be sure to clean it up. The control cable is located here. Unplug it. Next, unplug the ground cable and the 2 power wires. Important: red wire on the left, blue wire on the right. When reconnecting later, make sure the wiring order is correct. Now remove the ground cable, and the heater can be taken out. Take the new heater. First, connect the ground cable. Then, as mentioned earlier, reconnect the red wire to the left, blue wire to the right. Next, connect the outlet hose. Make sure to push it in firmly and fully. All hose connections must be tight and secure. After connecting the hoses, tidy up the cables. Then place the entire heater back into position. Once in place, reconnect the control cable. Now reinsert and tighten the fixing screw. That completes the installation. Check for any other issues. Inspect the hoses to make sure there are no kinks or bends. If everything looks good, reassemble the base and cover and reinstall it onto the toilet ceramic body. Take base back and install it. Reconnect the connecting cables to the main board. Once the connections are done, join the base and the cover together. Pay attention to the clips on this side. Also, pay attention to the clips at the back. Combine base and cover. Tighten the base's fixing screws again. Once all the screws are tightened, the assembly is complete. Reinstall the toilet seat lid assembly onto the ceramic toilet bowl. First, install the foot sensor cable. The foot sensor cable has a specific insertion direction. There is a notch on the top. Once the foot sensor cable is connected, install the water supply hose. Use a wrench to tighten the water supply hose. Next, install the side flush hose, which is located on the side of the toilet. Install the bottom flush hose. After tightening the hoses, check to make sure there are no issues and that they are all securely tightened. Finally, reinstall the toilet seat lid assembly.